5 money mistakes keeping you broke and how to fix them. Do you feel like you're always broke, no matter how hard you try? It might not be how much you earn, but the mistakes you're making with your money. Here are 5 common money mistakes that keep people broke and what you can do instead. Mistake number 1, spending more than you make. You can't save if you spend your entire paycheck, or worse, use credit cards to buy things you can't afford. Fix it. Track your income and expenses every month. Mistake number 2, ignoring debt. Pretending debt doesn't exist won't make it go away, it just grows with interest. Fix it. Make a debt repayment plan and stick to it. Mistake number 3, not having an emergency fund. Without savings, every surprise expense becomes a crisis. Fix it. Start with $500 to $1,000 in a separate emergency account. Mistake number 4, lifestyle inflation. When you earn more, you spend more and stay broke. Fix it. Keep your expenses stable even when your income goes up. Mistake number 5, not investing early. Thinking you need to be rich to invest wastes valuable time. Fix it. Start small. Even $50 a month into index funds can grow big over time. Avoiding these mistakes can change your financial future. This is Smart Money Guide, helping you grow your money smarter, not harder. Subscribe now for more tips that actually work.